Happy birthday, Ate Lourdes. Enjoy your special day. Love you.
Happy birthday, sexy Lourdes. Anong pakain natin ngayon? Happy birthday, te. Love you.
Flowers for you on this lovely evening. Hi, Mami Lourdes. Happy birthday. Natutuwa ako at nagagalak dahil nakilala kita. Although I could still remember during the first time that I saw you sa Fitwell. Para bang ang taray-taray mo. Sabi ko, napakataray naman niya. Pero I never imagined na magiging isa ka sa mga close ko sa Fitwell. Dalangin ko lang na naway patuloy kang bigyan ni Lord ng kalakasan, ng mga strength in whatever challenges that you will be facing with. And I'm pretty much sure na up until now, hindi ka pa ganun nakaka-move on kay mommy. Pero I know that you're a strong person, and because of your wisdom given by God, alam ko makakayanan mo yan. No? Just always remember that I'm always here for you. If you need someone to talk with, nandito lang ako. And tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung pagsusumba mo kasi para mas maging healthy ka, naway ilayo ka rin ng Panginoon sa kahit naman anumang kapahamakan at bigyan ka pa namang more blessings. I know that you're already blessed because of your family, lalo na yung mga nakilala ko, yung mga anak mo, napakababait, napakabubuti. It reflects you as a person kasi nakita ko yun sa mga anak mo. At hindi lang doon, sa amin din mga friends mo. Maraming salamat, Mami. Pasensya ka na kung may mga lapses man ako sa'yo na hindi ko alam. Humingi ako ng pasensya, but again, I want you to enjoy itong gabi na to together with our Zumba friends. Walang humpay na inuman na naman. Namimiss na kita or namimiss ko na kayong lahat. Sana makapag-dance ako uli, no, para makapag-band. I'll try my best na maka-attend sa birthday celebration mo. I know it's a very special night, no. Kaya lang meron akong work, pero I'll try to do my best. So again, miss you all, no. Happy birthday uli, Mami Lourdes. I love you. 3, go.
Happy birthday, Didas! Enjoy your special day. More blessings and happiness. Enjoy Zumba!
Hello, Mami Lourdes. Bukas, birthday mo na. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana marami ka pang birthday darating sa buhay mo. Kahit kaunting oras lang yung pagsasama natin, nagkakasundo tayo. Happy birthday ulit, Mami Lourdes. We love you, Mami Lourdes.
Happy birthday, Des. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lourdes. Ang wish ko ay more blessings to come and good health palagi. I love you. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Lourdes.
Hello. Nandito po si Singganda na bumabati sa iyo, Madam Lourdes, ng happy 65th birthday. Sana mahumaba pa ang buhay mo. Stay healthy, stay sexy. Huwag masyadong high blood kung ayaw mo tubuhan, ha. Ito po yung mga background ko. Basta importante maligaya ka. Once again, happiest birthday to you. I love you.